Hey tiny scientist, look at this. It's dry, it's boring, it's just a tiny sponge. But what if I told you today we are going to convert this tiny sponge into a floating cloud? Welcome to Tiny Science Talks with Rosemary. In today's series, we are going to discover how weather works beautifully inside our kitchen. Did you know kitchen can create real
Have you
weather?
ever
Looked up and wondered how clouds hold so much of water without dropping them on our heads?
Experiment number 1, we would require a clean bowl filled with water and a dry sponge. To begin with, let's drop this tiny sponge into water. The sponge has almost absorbed the water. Now let us this off. Can you see the water dripping?
Well, clouds are like tiny, fluffy space sponges. They are made up of millions of tiny water drops. When a cloud gets full, like this wet sponge, and heavy, it can't hold on any water. Therefore, it squeezes out the excess of water and splash, splash, you get a rainstorm.
Experiment number 2, rainstorm in a glass.
Let's watch this in action. This fluffy shaving cream is your floating cloud. Now watch what happens when I add a blue rain on the top.
Look closely at the bottom of the cloud. There it goes. The blue drops are breaking through because the cloud got too heavy. You can make your own rainstorm in a glass too.
The last experiment is a magic trick. Look at this water puddle on my table. If I blast this with warm air, just watch. It's completely vanishing, but where did the water go? It didn't disappear. The heat from the warm air converted this water into an invisible gas called vapor. It floats all the way back up to the sky to form new clouds. When water goes up to the sky and comes down in the form of rain, scientists call this as the water cycle. Nature is such a giant recycling machine. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you on our next adventure. Bye, tiny scientists.